Hey everyone, Nut-Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Funfetti cake mix cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 1 box of Funfetti cake mix, but really you could use any kind of cake mix you want for these cookies. That's what's so great about them. A 1/3 cup of some kind of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You could use canola oil, that's fine too. 2 eggs, and then if you want to add any more sprinkles or anything like that, feel free, but that's it. So it's so simple. So first we are going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 375 and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Alright, next I am just going to mix all this together with an electric mixer. So that's your 2 eggs, your 1/3 cup of oil, and your box of cake mix. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Alright, that is nice and combined using my mixer, and then I just used a spatula to pull everything off the side and make sure the bottom was nice and combined as well. So next you can go ahead and either roll this out with your hands into balls, or if you want to use a cookie scoop, that works too. Alright, I've got 12 cookies laid out here, but I still have some more inside my bowl. So next I'm just going to take the tops of them and either use a spatula or a cup and just flatten them slightly. Alright, that looks good to me. Now they'll just cook evenly. They'll bake evenly instead of like a mound. So let's go ahead and stick those in our preheated oven for 6 to 8 minutes. Also, before you get them in the oven, if you want to add more sprinkles, but I don't feel like I have to because I feel like these look cute already. Okay, my first batch came out of the oven, and I did let those cook for 8 minutes. And I let them cool for a couple minutes. That's what they look like on the bottom. So if you want to let yours cook less, if you don't like a little more crispy bottom, but they're crispy on the outside, but they're so gooey on the inside, as you can see, like the cake texture. So I have my second batch in, so I was able to make 20 cookies, so you could definitely make them smaller and get more if you want. But I suggest you just let them cool on the cookie sheet for a few minutes and then transfer them to a cooling rack. Alright, my second batch is out of the oven cooling, and I only left those in for 6 minutes. So they are a lot lighter on the bottom, but the other ones are not burnt by any means. They just are very good. So we'll let these cool off and see what Taste Tester thinks. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Does it taste like cake?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.